Alright friends, it's Kara here. I wanted to show you if I make paint kits for, especially for kids, that's usually the only paint kits that I sell. This is how I kind of package them. And I don't do a lot of this. This is not like the bulk of my business. But I have had several of you ask, so I wanted to at least show you what I would include. So, let's pretend like this shape is a, let's pretend like it's a flamingo, since that's what I have a picture of, because I didn't have a pineapple picture. So I would include the actual cutout. I would include a picture. Now it doesn't have to be cut out like this. It could just be a half sheet of paper. I would include just a plate or some, like maybe the styrofoam pallets that you can get. They're actually in the food section, the disposables at Dollar Tree, and they're like 30, and they're kind of a rectangular shape. I would include something for the paint to be put on. You might want to include paint brushes. That's totally up to you. And then the other thing that I would include is the colors of paint that they're going to need. Now, one thing you want to really be aware of is if you're selling these kits, it can get not cost effective at all if you have too many paint colors that are needed to do your design. So, a design like one of these, we could do white, yellow, or white, pink, yellow, and black, and then they can mix the lighter pink and the lighter gray with those colors. So that would mean you would need 4 of these little things of paint. So I would include 4 of these filled with the appropriate colors of paint, and I would just try to arrange them so that they're kind of tightly on, and then slip them into a bag. Now as far as bags go, you have several options. This is what I tend to use. They're these cute little drawstring bags. And I would just set all of my paint like this, or you could turn it in the bottom like this, however you want to do it. But then I would just include all of that and tie up the little drawstring. You can also just use something like one of these plastic bags. This is just a colored bag. You could put them in that if you're setting them out on your front porch to be picked up, or you can put everything just in one of those. But I wanted to show you, these will slip right down in a poly mailer. And this is the flat rate padded poly mailer. And it will slip right in there. And this costs between $7 and $9 to ship, depending on whether you ship at home or you ship through the postal service. I ship mine at home. I pay for a service where I can ship through the postal service from home. So this is how I arranged my little kit. Obviously this would be a pineapple and a pineapple cutout, or it would be a flamingo and a flamingo cutout, but you get the general idea. Alright, thank you friends.